and thank the lovely audience. We want to take them home with us, but they have other things to do. So take it out. Thank you everyone for coming, and I hope you enjoyed the
You've got to get the stars. There's the faces. Still smiling. Not long for the holidays. Does that make you smile? You've got your Christmas gear on already. And beautiful smiles, thinking of holidays. How the teachers will be crying when they miss you. Thanks guys for all your beautiful work.